today we are going to see how to deploy the URL-Shortener repo in Replit. So as you know, Heroku and all those platforms have gone paid. So Replit is still free and could be a temporary solution to host the bot. I don't know how long they are going to provide this free service, but as long as they provide, we can host it there for free 24/7. So I think let's get started. So first of all, you need a Replit account. That's it, and you don't need even a GitHub account, and of course you need a MongoDB for database management. So first of all, go to this repo, link is in the description, and scroll down. You can see a deploy option here. So go to Replit guide, and I have already made the guide, and if you don't understand the guide, so continue with this video. So first of all, create a Replit account. It's so easy, like other websites, and click on this link. You'll get this interface. So after this, no need to do anything, just import from GitHub. Just click on the button. So it may take some time, I'm just forwarding it. So after this you will get this interface. Just click on the close button, and what we are going to need now is the environment variables, right? So these are the environment variables we are going to need. API ID, API hash, I think I have already made a video of how to get these values, so go check it out. And bot token, for this we are going to go to Telegram and create a bot from bot father. So start the bot father and click on new bot and give it a name. I will just give URL-Shortener v2 and username. So after creating the bot, copy the bot token here and paste it on your text editor. Owner ID you can get it from Rosebot. So if you search Rosebot and just type ID, then you will get your Telegram account ID. For log channel, just create a new channel, name it as URL-Shortener logs. So in this channel you will get all those messages being sent by your user and being converted, and if you see any suspicious link being converted in your bot, then you can just ban the user. So this is very useful for those kind of things. So just send any message and forward it to Rosebot and reply to that message saying ID, and you will get the channel's ID also. So just copy it. Channel ID always starts with -100 and the ID, so remember that. And the main thing is your database URL. For this you will gonna need a account in this website. If you already have a account and a database URL, then that's fine, you can use that. But if you don't have, then just follow. I'm signing up with Google. I think that would be easy for me. After this, you'll have to accept the privacy and policy. So this may take some time also. You just need to keep patience and wait for some time. So after this, just follow, do what I'm doing now. But it really doesn't matter what you choose, but this really matters. Choose free and just create. Okay, so after this is kind of important. This is the step where you create user for your database. So I'm just using admin123. Anyways, I'm going to delete this database after this video, so you can't access the database anyways. But if you create for your personal use, just make sure you're using a strong password and a username so that no one can use it. So after create user, click on add my current IP address. I think yeah, it has already been added. But after this, go to network access and edit this and click on allow access from anywhere. So I think that's it. So it's being deployed. It may take some time. You need to, as always, keep patient and wait for some time. So in the meantime, I think we can do things around here in the Replit. So after the deploying, you will get these interface. After that, go to tools and click on secrets. You will get this. So you need to add all the secrets we just created. So API ID is the key and this is the value. And the last thing is database URL, which is being okay. So this is ready, our database is ready. So now what you're going to do is just click on this connect and click on drivers and click on Python 3.6 or later. That's it, and click on this. Click on the URL which starts with MongoDB plus SRV and paste it here and replace the password with the actual password you entered, and copy this and paste it over here and add new secret, and that's it. I think that's all we are going to do. Just run the bot and I think we are ready. This is done. Also this took me a little long, but that's okay. After this you are going to see this error message, of course, but I have mentioned here. Let me scroll down and see, I have clicked on run. After that it's been setting up, and after that you will see the error, of course, in as you mentioned here, but you need to type this command manually. I have mentioned this command here and I will mention it on the description also, so just check it out. So I have to manually put this command here so that it install other modules manually which has not been installed in the server. So also this may take some time. In the meantime, let's skip to the next step. Add web server value in the secret with value true. Web server key. Okay, so let's add key web server and add it true. After that we have to click run, but before that this is still going on, so let it be finished. So this is done. I think we are set to go now. Just click on run and the bot will be started, I guess. Okay, we are getting this error, pair ID invalid. So for this is because the owner has not started the bot yet. Many will get this error. Make sure you start the bot before you run the bot. So now run the bot. Okay, so the bot has been started. Alright, and pinging server has also been started. So as you can see, the bot has been started here. So if you start, it is not getting started actually. The bot has been started but not responding to the start command. It's because we have not made our bot as admin in our log channel. That's the major mistake everyone does. So copy the bot URL and make it as an admin in the channel we have made before. So if you go to our bot, started, so it has been started now. So I think that's it, and you know how to use the bot. Just type help command and you will find how the bot works and how to use it. Alright, so I think that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.